Okay, this is a video response for everybody who is having problems with the iPod Touch Wi-Fi. You'd be able to connect to your neighbor's Wi-Fi, but you'd have troubles when it came to your own. It would say it's connected, but in truth, you really weren't being able to get to the internet through your own Wi-Fi. And this is how I fixed my problem. This may help yours. I don't know. It may have just been my router. I replaced my router, which I thought was the problem. It wasn't. It was actually a restriction set on the router. So, bought a new router for $90. Didn't need it. Should have just checked around. I hope this video can help you guys. Just start up the internet. Go to the address bar, and you're going to go to your router. If you know how to access the router, you type it in now, but for those who don't, it's 192, period 168, period 1.1. Hit enter, and you should go to your router screen. I already logged in. If you can't get in, it's usually the password. The username is admin, and the password is password. So type that in and get into your router. This is where, if I were you, I would pretty much just start messing around with the settings if you knew what you're doing, which you should if you're going into your router, because you can really mess things up. So, but that's not to discourage anybody who's thinking about trying to do that. So don't think that it can really screw your system up, because you can pretty much get it back to normal with no problem. So, what my problem was, I love the iPod. As you know, I'm already connected to my Wi-Fi. You'd go 3105. Oh, 105. You would go to Wi-Fi. Go to your home Wi-Fi. I'm already connected. Not fetch new data. I'm already connected. See, you'd go to the internet. So what would happen? You'd go to a simple site. Google. Mine loads up, but I'll tell you how to get that fixed. So what you do is, first you need to get your sorry, I jailbroke my iPod, and this comes up when I go into my settings. But go into General, go into About, and you're going to scroll down until you see something called Wi-Fi address. Write that down. It's 2 numbers, dash, 2 numbers, letters, stuff like that. You'll know what I'm talking about. If you have a Netgear router, this is exactly where you go. You go to Wireless Settings, Set up Access List. Then you're going to go to Add. I actually deleted mine for this video, so I'm going to have to add mine back. Going to go to Add. Device name unknown. Okay, we're gonna type in the device name. It's gonna be Matt's. Can't type with this thing here. Matt's iPod. Then once we have that MAC address, we're gonna type that in. I honestly don't care if you see my MAC address like other kids do, because you can't do crap with it. So you're gonna type that in. 41. B2, just type in your MAC address here, not mine. 76C. You're going to type that all in, hit apply. Please wait a moment. Oh, quick side note while this is loading. For people who are thinking about jailbreaking your iPod, I do have a pretty good sense what's going on. If you want me to post another video if you're having troubles with that. Some really cool things that I thought were good when you jailbreak your iPod was something called Lockdown, and I really like it. It's you can lock your pictures and all your apps up without people getting into them. Like, if I don't want somebody messing with my pictures, I'll go to my pictures. Oh, I didn't lock my pictures. I forgot. Go to my settings. It's going to pull up a code bar. Going to enter that code in, and you get into your settings. It's a pretty cool thing. I like it. Oh, the Wi-Fi is back up. What you have is, see, there's Matt's iPod, which I just entered. It 002241B2. You entered that, and I should, if I did everything right, be able to get back onto the internet because I applied everything and I added my own MAC address. Please wait a moment. I'm gonna power down my iPod. Letting everybody know, if you're gonna make changes with your router, try power cycling everything if you don't see immediate results. So that's just a little side note. It doesn't always happen like that. We're gonna load up my iPod. Go to Safari. And we should get Google. And we got Google. I'm going to type in iPod. I'm going to go, and we get search results showing that I'm connected to my own network. And everything is good. Basically, that's about it. Other than that, if you're having problems, try sending me a video of what's going on. I'm really good at trying to figure these things out, and I'd be more than willing to help you guys out. And that's basically what was going on with my iPod, and it was a pretty simple fix. Didn't know what was going on, but figured it out, and it's all good now. And to end it, try, if this MAC access list didn't work, try messing around with some of these settings. These settings can be really kind of frustrating. Try enabling wireless router radio and enabling SSI broadcast. You don't need to enable WMM. So that's about it. I hope this helped you guys. Post a response if you need any more help. That's it. Thank you.